Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change text color in draw.io. Now the only thing you need to actually do is click on those text elements. So I'll click on this one right here and you can see on the right hand panel I get a bunch of options. Make sure you click here on text and make sure font color is actually toggled on. And then you can begin customizing it. I'll actually give you a bonus tip. I want you to press Control plus, the left mouse button. So press Control on your keyboard, left mouse button, and you can select multiple elements and you can change the color for those as well. So you can pick from these predetermined colors. You can also use the hex code, or you can use this slider and pick out a color that you actually like. And then just click here and apply. And there you go. As you can see, that is how you change a text color in a draw.io.